Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my blowout routine. So this is the shampoo and conditioner I like to use. I like to shampoo twice with my scalp massager just to really get all the dirt and oil out of my hair. So when it comes to conditioning, I only like to focus it on my ends because my hair is pretty oily already, so I just don't want all that moisture on my scalp. Then I'm going to be taking this Moroccan oil styling moisturizing cream for my hair just to give it some moisture. So I like to let my hair dry overnight just because I want to limit the amount of heat I put to it. So this is how my hair looks overnight. Now I'm going to be taking this Amika dry conditioner just to get rid of any oil that I may have on my scalp. So I'm taking my Revlon one step blow dryer brush and I'm putting it on the highest setting and using a clip and rubber band to hold my hair back so that I can section off the pieces I'm going to be blow drying. So this is like the easiest thing ever, best invention ever. You literally just brush this through your hair, and I like to just spin it around just so it gives it more volume. So these steps are pretty repetitive. I'm just brushing it through and spinning it in different directions to give it volume, and I like to have my ends flipped in so it has like that just, curved in effect. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm pretty much just going to be repeating these same steps on the other side. This is how my hair looks when everything is all done. Now I'm just gonna really focus on those front pieces just so it has nice and volume and also that it is all blown out. This is literally so much easier than using a blow dryer, so I highly recommend this product. I got it on Amazon for about $60. I'm taking this Moroccan oil treatment and I'm really focusing this on my ends and just working whatever is left over on the rest of my hair. So this is how my hair looks after I blew it out. This took me about 30 minutes to do. It's very quick and easy, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.